Are you getting error code SU-101337-5 while installing a game or update on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle and retry update. When you get error code SU-101337-5 while installing an update, then first of all, power cycle the PS5 console. To do that, turn off the PS5. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Disconnect any peripherals attached to your console such as a controller, headset, external hard drive, HDMI cable, etc. Wait for a few minutes. Plug the power cable back in and turn the console on again. Try to download the update again. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your PS5 is connected to a stable internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. Method 3. Check PSN server status. Next, check if the PSN server is having any issue. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Check if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 4. Update PS5 system software using a PC or Mac. If you have any issues downloading the updates following the previous method, try updating via USB drive. To do so, turn off your PS5 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep. On a PC or Mac, create a folder named PS5 on a USB drive that has been formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. Inside this folder, create another folder and name it as Update. Now download the update file from here and save it in the update folder. Name it as ps5update.pup. Make sure there is 1.1 GB of free space. Now plug the USB drive with the update file into your PS5 console. Now you need to start your PS5 in safe mode. To do that, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. Select Update System Software, then Update from USB storage device, then select OK. If your PS5 console doesn't recognize the update file, ensure that the folder names and file name are correct. Use uppercase letters for the folder names and file name. Method 5. Restore licenses. The next thing you can do is restore licenses. To do that, head to Settings, then select Users and Accounts, then Other, then Restore Licenses. This can fix network connection errors that might be causing the issue. Method 6. Reset PS5 and reinstall system software. If the methods shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as new. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and saved data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings. Then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options. Select Reset your console option. Confirm if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. If the console doesn't start correctly, start your PS5 console in safe mode. To do that, turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. Once off, press and hold the power button again, releasing after the second beep. Connect the controller with a USB cable and press the PS button. Go to Options and select Reset PS5, Reinstall System Software. Using a PC or Mac, download the reinstallation file from the PlayStation site. Replace the update file with the reinstallation file on the USB drive. Plug the USB drive containing the reinstallation file into your PS5 console. Follow the instructions on the screen. Method 7. Contact support. If the issue persists or safe mode cannot be started, your console may need to be repaired. Please visit PlayStation Support Repairs for further assistance. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code SU-101337-5 while installing a game or update on your PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.